Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different than my usual videos because I haven't really ventured out into the videos where I am talking about the products that I want to buy or an anti-haul of stuff that I don't want to buy or things that I am suggesting to you guys because quite frankly, in the past I felt like who cares what I think, right? But you know, I decided, okay, I'll go ahead and do a video just telling you guys what is on my wish list for the upcoming VIB or beauty spring sale that Sephora is having because it is right around the corner, you guys. So if you guys are interested in that, that's what I'm going to talk about today. Now, the items that I have on my wish list are not like a whole bunch of brand new items that just came out because there are a lot of items at Sephora that basically stay in my cart, or there are things that I've wanted to purchase and just couldn't bring myself to spend the point. But you know, when there's a sale, you know, at 15%, because your girl made VIB last year, okay, I ain't trying to be ROUGE. I am not trying to be ROUGE. But since I made VIB last year, I was like, okay, you know, let me go ahead and take advantage of this little 15% off because you don't always get to save money at Sephora, okay? So anywho, let me go ahead and quit rambling. If you're interested in what's on my wish list, that's what I'm going to talk about today. So I want to start out just talking about some general information regarding this sale, just in case you're interested, and then I'm going to jump right into my wish list. So if you'd like to see what I want, then stay tuned because it is coming up right now.
Okay, you guys. So this sale is actually called the Beauty Insider Event Spring Bonus Sale, where ROUGE and VIB will save 15% and Insiders will save 10%. Now, ROUGE is going to get to shop first because their shopping starts April 13th and they get to shop all the way through April 23rd. Now, on the 13th, they actually get to share their 15% savings with a friend, but only on that day. Now, VIB and Insiders get to shop from the 20th through the 23rd, with VIB saving 15% and Insiders will get to save 10%. So that's still a really great savings for this sale for everyone. Okay, so let's go ahead and just jump into the first item that I want, which is this Sephora Collection Pro Editorial Palette. Now this retails for $68 and it says that this is a deluxe eyeshadow palette with 28 editorial color story shades. And it also includes a complete how-to tutorial pamphlet, which is actually written by Sephora Pro artists. So I really want this. It's really nice and colorful. Next on my wish list is the Pat McGrath Mthrshp Subversive La Vie en Rose palette, which retails for $55. This is a really nice palette. It's luxurious. Of course, you know Pat McGrath has great quality, and I really want to pick this up. Next, we have a new item from Fenty Beauty. This is the new Body Lava, which retails for $59. It comes in two shades. It comes in brown sugar, and who needs clothes anyway? So I'm really looking forward to actually picking one of those up. Not sure which one I want to try. But this is not something that I would normally purchase, but with summer coming, I feel like I want to glow. Now this also comes with a new body kabuki brush that she launched. The price on that is $34 and you can use it on your face and your body. I'm not sure if I'm going to pick this up because I have kabuki brushes already, but it is a really pretty item as part of this collection, so I just might have to grab it. Now also with this collection, she launched a Fairy Bomb Glittering Pom-Pom, which retails for $42. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. It's limited edition, and I guess it is a glittering puff that's pre-packed with superfine 3D rose gold shimmer that you can, you know, pounce all over your body. So I might have to check that out as well. Next, I have the Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette. Now this retails for $45. I think this palette is gorgeous. It has pearlescent creamy shade as well as 3 light-catching pressed pearl hues. And I think that this palette would look really nice on my skin tone, so I want to get that as well. Next, I have the Tarte Chrome Paint Shadow Pot. And the color that I specifically want is Park Avenue Princess. Now this retails for $22 for this little glistening eyeshadow, so it's not something that I would normally just grab, but for 15% off, I might have to go ahead and pick me up a shade or two because these are gorgeous. Next I have on my list the Versace Crystal Mini Trio. Now this retails for $27, you guys. I am a perfume lover. You probably wouldn't know it because I don't talk about perfume a lot, but when I saw this little set, I felt like I really needed to pick this up for $27. It's not bad with the 15% off. Now next on my list is the Nars All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. I did try a sample of this and I actually really liked it, and I want to try it out some more, so I think I'm going to go ahead, break myself, and spend a little $49 on this foundation. Since a lot of people do like it, I think I will probably like it as well. So I want to get that. Next on my wish list is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Now this is not by any means a new item, but it's something that I hear a lot of people talking about, and with its claims of up to 16 hours of flawless wear, I definitely want to try it. Next on my list, I actually have some of the Too Faced Melted Matte Longwear lipsticks. Now, I love the formula on these lipsticks. They retail for $21, so that's a little pricey for lipstick for me. So I want to go ahead and cop a couple of shades, and I think the True Red and Bright Magenta are the ones I want to pick up. Next, I have the ABH Soft Glam palette. Now, this palette is not something that I would normally gravitate to because it's not bright and colorful, but it is a very nice palette. It's pretty. I've seen a lot of people do some really nice looks with it. And since I already have 3 of their palettes in my collection, I figure why not? I may as well add this to my collection as well. Next on my wish list, I have the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. Now this palette retails for $54, and that's probably why I don't have it in my collection already, because it's just hard for me to pay $54 for such a specific palette. This palette is a very specific color scheme, and it's not really you know, very colorful enough for me, but for some reason I love this palette and it's actually on my wish list, so I might have to go ahead and cop it during the sale. Now last on my wish list is my favorite mascara, which is the Tarte Tartiest Lash Paint Mascara. This retails for $23. I got a sample of it in, I believe, my BoxyCharm, and I fell in love with this stuff. It is the absolute bomb. So of course during the sale, I want to go ahead and pick me up a couple of these with my 15% discount.
So those are all the items that I have on my wish list from Sephora. I might go ahead and snag me a few, or I might be good and just leave them on my wish list until November when the next sale is, but I doubt that. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing my little wish list and just kind of getting a little bit of information about this sale if you are thinking about doing a little shopping this upcoming couple of weeks, because it does start this Friday. And that's about it. So I'd love to see you guys' wish list. If you have a wish list, you know, go ahead and put that out there, or maybe some suggestions or recommendations. I don't really have any recommendations for this sale because I don't really shop at Sephora enough, I don't think, to make recommendations, but as I do more in the future, I will be able to recommend some things. So anywho, that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Have fun shopping, y'all.